Student, how are you? I hope you all are well at home and enjoying the study. So today we will learn our fifth chapter of English grammar. Our fifth chapter is noun number. So student, number is mainly divided into two parts. First is singular number, second is plural number. Singular number, a noun which refers to one person, animal, place or thing, which refers to one person, animal, place or thing. That's called singular number. Plural number, a noun which refers to more than one person, animal, place or thing. More than one person, place, animal or thing. For example, here is one boy which include in singular number. Here is more than one boy which include in plural number. We write boy and we write boys. So let's see the rule how we change singular number into plural number. How to form singular noun into plural noun. So in most cases we add s to the singular noun to form the plural noun. So we mostly add s in the end of the word. So for example, singular, plural, bat, we add s, bats. Ball, we add s, balls. Girl, we add s, girls. Cow, we add s, cows. Chair, we add s, chair. So in most cases we add s to singular noun to form the plural noun. So student, if the singular noun ends with s, double s, sh, ch, x, z, then we will add es to make the singular into plural noun. For example, box. Box end with x. So we will add es. Boxes. Watch end with ch. Then we will add es to make the plural. Watches. Class end with double s. Then we will add es. Classes. Dish end with sh. Then we will add es to make the plural. Dishes. When ending sound of ch will be k, then we will add only s to make the plural. For example, stomach. Ending sound of the ch is k, stomach. We add s, stomachs. Monarch, monarchs. If the singular noun ends with the letter o, then we will add es to make the singular into plural noun. For example, hero. End with o, then we will add es. Heroes. Mango, mangoes. Mosquito, mosquitoes. So student, with some nouns, then we will add only s, but it will end with o, but we will add only s. For example, piano, pianos. We will add only s here. Photo, we will add only s here. Photos. Then if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a vowel, a, e, I, o, u, vowel. So the letter before y is a vowel, then we will add only s to make it plural. For example, y. Here the letter before the y is vowel, so we will add only s. Vowels. So here the letter before y is a vowel, so we will add only s. Keys. Toy. Here the letter before the y is a vowel, so we will add only s. Toys. So day. Here the letter before y is a vowel, so we will add only s. Day. Student, if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a consonant. Before this rule, I have told you other rule that if the singular noun ends with y and the letter before y is a vowel, then we will add only s. But in this rule, when the ending letter is y and the letter before y is a consonant, change y in I and add es. Then we will write in place of I E S. For example, army. The letter before y is a consonant, so we will remove the y here and add I E S. Armies. City, cities. Duty, duties. So if the singular noun ends with f or f, then f or fe is often changed to ves. F or fe change into ves. For example, thief. Here is f, we will remove f and f change into ves. Thieves. Knife, here fe, we change fe into ves. Knives. Leaf, here f, we will change f into ves. Leaves. But sometime we will not follow this rule in some words. For example, roof. Roof, in roof we will add only s. Roofs. Proof, we will add only s. Proofs. Chief, we will add only s. Chiefs. Cliffs, we will add only s. Cliffs. Sometimes change the vowel to make a noun plural. Sometimes we will change the vowel to make a singular noun into plural noun. For example, man. We will change vowel a into e. Men. Tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Woman, woman. Add en or ren to make a noun plural. In some words, we will add en or ren to make its plural form. For example, ox, oxen. Child, children. So student, some nouns do not change at all in plural number. Which noun do not have plural form, they are usually called irregular noun. For example, sheep, sheep. Dozen, dozen. Deer, deer. Fish, fish. In cases, we will show the plural form of this word, we use quantity. For example, 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 3 dozen, deer, a deer, many deer. That's all. Student, to make the plural of a compound noun, add s in the end of the principal word. For example, father-in-law, we will add s in father because it is a principal word. Fathers-in-law. Stepdaughter, daughter is a principal word of this. So, stepdaughters. Passerby, passer is a principal word. So, we will add s in passer, passers-by. There are some nouns which have only plural forms. They do not have their singular form. For example, trousers, spectacles, jeans, scissors, clothes. So student, there are some nouns which have only singular form. They do not have their plural form. For example, furniture, news, information. So student, in this video you have learned about numbers. There are two types of number, singular number and plural number. And in this video you have learned many different rules how to change a singular noun into plural noun. So student, I hope you understood the video carefully and do the work